are going to love the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, passenger airbag, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, rear head airbag, daytime running lights, cloth seats, passenger vanity mirror, steel wheels, split bench seat, pass-through rear seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.